Hi, I'm Mark, and this is the first of a series of ongoing videos where we share our favorite campsites. Today we're going to look at a campsite in Canyonlands Needle Districts, just east of the park and about 10 minutes north of Highway 211. It's a dispersed camping site and it's spectacular. As you can see, we're sharing the GPS data to help you find the campsite, and all we ask is that you leave the campsite better than you found it. If you carry on this road, you'll head through the Lockhart Basin, over Hurrah Pass, and end up in Moab. I'd like to hear what you think about this format. Let me know in the comments. Also, if you think this was helpful or would be helpful to someone else, it helps us if you like the video and subscribe it. It'll help it rank.